Hello, my friend. Tris Leches cake with Turkish style. In this video, we will learn and make together the fantastic recipe of Tris Leche with Turkish way. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes. Please subscribe the channel. Watch, I have over 150 video everything about pastry. First we make the caramel, 120 gram sugar, just sugar, don't add anything, and in low flame until caramelized. We cook. As you see, when it start caramelize, I leave until I have dark golden color. This light I don't want, I need it little dark, as you see. And this is the time to add it 45 gram of butter, unsalted butter. But if you make salted butter, will be really tasty. As you see, when it's dissolved, I added fresh cream 70 ml. Now the caramel topping is ready. I keep aside. Let cool down until I finish my cakes. The cakes, 5 eggs, pinch of salt, gram of vanilla. Together, I have 140 gram all-purpose flour. I added 12 gram baking powder. In the side, I keep 200 gram crystal sugar. So it's not like other. I don't make together with eggs. I leave it to fluffy and step by step, exactly the way I make like meringue. It takes 12 minutes for the cake to raise up, or the sponge cake to raise up. And then I added gently 140 gram flour. All the recipe I will write it down in description box below. This for cake 26 centimeter. So this cake ring 20 centimeter. I bake 180. It takes 40 minutes, 45 depending about the oven. So after 45 minutes, the cake is ready. Now it's Tris Leche, 150 ml condensed milk, 150 ml fresh cream, 400 ml fresh milk. You can add it 15 gram of sugar, but if you don't, it's okay because caramel is so sweet. This 15 gram of icing sugar, I mix it all until all dissolve and syrup becomes cold. After baking, during the time I make the whipping cream, just whipping fresh cream. If you wanted to make with sugar, go ahead. But normally, I don't want to put any sugar because the caramelized topping is so sweet. So, the Tris Leche is mean 3 type of milk: condensed milk, fresh cream, and fresh milk. This is called Tris Leche cakes. In this way, we make the cake. We added on top, we topping with only fresh cream. When come out of the oven, I leave it 5 minutes to cool down. It's not cold, it's warm now. The cake is still warm. I added my syrup, which is fresh cream, condensed milk, and whipping cream. So we have 3. Actually, this almost 700 ml of liquid. I added all to the cake because this cake 120 centimeter, so it's a big cake, and the leftover I keep it, it will go down. So let the cake takes all liquid to absorb, to be moist, to be tasty, and what is left over will go to the bottom. I cover it, I keep in the fridge. So the difference between Turkish Tris Leche and normal Tris Leche, they topping with caramel. After 1 hour in the fridge, it's cooled down, it's totally moist. I topping the cake with whipping fresh cream. And this is Tres Leche. This is the traditional they made in South America and Spanish people. Turkish added the caramel topping. In Saudi Arabia, they make the same cake, but they added saffron, and they call it saffron cake. So it's the same cake, different topping. They make it different style or different name. In my restaurant Los Popos in the ship, instead of I topping with fresh cream, I topping with Italian meringue, and I fire with gas torch to be like lemon tart, and people love it. After one nice 2 centimeter or 1.5 centimeter of whipping fresh cream, I covered the cake with the caramel topping we make in the beginning. It's cooled down now, not completely. If it's still cold, if you find it's cold, you can keep 30 seconds in microwave and will be solid. Make nice smooth layer of caramel. Then with fresh cream, you can topping decor like spider. And then with skewer or toothpicks, you can make the decoration as a spider. This is how they serve in Turkey, and they call it Turkish Tres Leche, but the original is come from Spanish, but without caramel topping. Here it is Tres Leche, Turkish style, and you know now how they use it in Middle East with the saffron, and they call it saffron Tres Leche cake. Hope you enjoy my channel. Please, if you like the video, make subscribe and share. All the best.